Josh. Welcome to the Well-Rounded Warrior, and thanks for watching. Well, today's little tack tip is from me, because if you're like me, you go to enough gun shows, trade shows, buy enough shit in the mail, you get all kinds of cool-ass stickers like Glock Safe Action Pistols and ESS and Midwest Industries and Occam and all this. Mookie Militia, SOE, Blackhawk, yeah, cool. Guerrilla Ammunition, right? So I got all these badass stickers, because what kind of man doesn't like stickers, right? Well, I like stickers, but I don't always want to stick them on shit. So what's the next best thing? Amazon. Amazon is the next best thing. So just like everything in life, happiness, Monsters and Gatorade, you can buy this adhesive magnet sheet material on Amazon. I think it was like 12 bucks, right? And so it's a magnet sheet, and it's like sticky. So what you do, turn it over, you lay out your stickers, you peel the adhesive sheet off, you stick your sticky stickers on the sheet, and then you cut them out, and the next thing you know, you've got magnet stickers. You can stick them on a toolbox like this, or your refrigerator, or whatever the hell you want. Just cover everything. Instead of covering it with stickers, you can cover it with magnets, which is way better. Just ask your 3-year-old. They love that shit. Don't worry, Pierre, I didn't forget about you. Just remember, when running away, looking scary, and telling them to fuck off don't work, shoot them until they change shape or catch fire.